tell us how your application and the approach is connected to this. So because we have seen two actually, right?
Yes.
And so can you talk about the design and so what physics is working there, what kind of physics, and also probably part of the computer science, because you have mentioned TouchLib, you have mentioned, so I've heard so far only two companies, and where the originators of this software. So can you talk
Okay, there
about
are
some
mostly
much
two
detail?
languages, C++ and Java, where these applications are written, and generally they write in C++ because it's easier. So, no, as I studied Java, my goal was to write a program in this language, and so to basically say, the principle is simple, and it's the same.
So how come I touch it and it interacts?
So here's the glass, not glass, but it's called acrylic, and it has a special property. If one radiates a wave through it, you can see it now. We better not touch it. So total internal reflection happens, which means that the wave doesn't come out of the screen.
So which wave do you specifically mean here?
Infrared wave.
Mhm.
Here we have many diodes which radiate infrared.
Mhm.
And we
Okay.
have the camera which detects it, and this thing on it, it's a filter.
So how does it detect it? Is the infrared reflected over this?
Yeah, when one presses the finger, the total internal reflection doesn't happen anymore, because when the wave hits your finger,
Okay, it's absorbed
Yes, and
here, right?
Yes, and it then is directed downwards.
So
Ah, Kvevica, this.
So the camera sees it.
Yes, because it has a filter.
Or something.
You can show
Then
it.
it
You can
goes-
show it with this.
So
Touch software.
can we see some other applications?
How camera sees it?
This is the image
Okay.
from the camera, and this is what to track the image.
Wait a second. What does the image of the camera? So which image is it?
It's an actual image.
Okay, so here we see the
Because,
actual image of the camera. And
we
what's
have a
this?
This is filtered image, because it's
Okay, is this same as you had in your application?
No,
No,
it's not the
it's
same.
not the same.
there.
If I touch this,
You have to touch it like not by hand.
Image. Titis kuulebit. Okay, clear. And so what did we see there? So how is it connected to this?
Algorithm is basically the same, because they both capture some frame, so the screenshot of the
Which is in that case laser, right?
Sure. And then I had to convert the image into monochrome, so just black and white spots. So if you have a colored one like yellow, it will be converted into white, so that you could see a white spot in
Okay, can we see some other applications? Because I have a couple of other questions regarding your project.
So
Because I got it here, so I understand. So we are changing the intensity, or so
from the camera,
since the
this information is redirected into the computer.
yeah
program.
detected
to the
and processed by computer. But I didn't get it there in case of
This
the
is the
laser.
software that decodes the information from
yeah.
the camera.